A virtual or robotic CEO has considerable advantages. He never gets tired, is always available, is not paid, and is extremely efficient in analyzing information flows and analyzing risks. However, there are doubts about its possible social, legal, and employment risks. We often wonder about the possible effects that artificial intelligence could have on the world of work and employment. Usually, it is thought that the jobs most at risk are those that consist of mechanical and repetitive operations, which by their nature can be performed by a well-trained algorithm. Today, however, the field of adoption of AI in the workplace is expanding, and it seems that no one is indispensable anymore. This is what the new robot CEO of NetDragon Websoft demonstrates. Who is Tang Yu? Tang Yu is the new CEO of NetDragon Websoft, a $10 billion global video game and metaverse giant with 6,000 employees. The CEO decides, organizes, and invests independently, but she has a peculiarity: she is not human. It is in fact an intelligence system that was hired by the company in 2017, when it began to support the former CEO in the flesh. After 5 years of apprenticeship, Tang Yu was promoted and now works as a managing director. The role of Tang Yu. The human president of NetDragon, Daejin Liu, assured that the company strongly believes that artificial intelligence is the future of corporate management, and the appointment of Ms. Tang Yu represents the commitment to guide our strategic growth. The fact that the CEO is a virtual entity could lead most to think that she could be a puppet CEO, used only for communication purposes. In reality, it is the company itself that underlines how Tang Yu will be a true manager, a top operational executive, and who will carry out his role of enhancing talents while also ensuring fair and effective working conditions for all employees. Therefore, among the tasks that the CEO carries out, there are the definition of budgets, the planning and management of investments, the development of collaborations and products, and much more. All enriched by Tang Yu's artificial intelligence, which allows her to instantly assess the risks. Indeed, the virtual administrator will also act as a real-time data hub and as an analysis device to support rational decisions in daily operations. The risk management system can therefore become much more effective and efficient. Furthermore, even from the point of view of interpersonal relationships, the system surprises. Employees can in fact communicate with their CEO through their company devices at any time and on any day. The virtual executive will also be able to evaluate their performance, promote deserving workers, and sanction those who make mistakes. All, however, with a certain empathy, or at least so claims those who have known. Robot CEO in flesh and blood. Another case concerns Dictador, a producer of luxury rum. Indeed, the official face of the company is now Mika, the first robot CEO at the head of a global company. Unlike Tang Yu, Mika has a physical component. She is a real robot, but her role is more limited. She will be a member of the council, responsible for the Art House Spirits DAO project and communication with the DAO community. Mika, active within the company since early September, is a more advanced version of Sophia, a prototype completed in 2015 in Hong Kong by Hanson Robotics. Commented the president of Dictador Europe, Marek Soldrowski. The decision of the Dictador board of directors is revolutionary and bold at the same time. This first human-like, AI-powered robot in a corporate facility will change the world as we know it, forever. What are the benefits and risks of a robot or virtual CEO? Assigning the role of managing director to a virtual and/or robotic entity, in any case based on artificial intelligence, allows for considerable advantages to be obtained. 1. Savings in economic terms, absence of salary, contributions, bonuses, etc., have a significant influence. 1. Although the development of such a system requires huge resources, the absence of medium and long-term expenses allows you to compensate and save. 2. Furthermore, a software is not limited by working hours and is always operational, accessible from any device connected to the network. 3. From a business point of view, then, the data flow rationalization qualities of an AI system guarantee high efficiency and high speed in decision-making processes. 3. This is also possible thanks to a risk assessment. 3. Real-time, or in any case very rapid. However, there are also possible risks. 1. In particular, it is not clear what the legal value of any decision taken by an AI system is, especially when it interfaces with a series of international subjects. 1. Tang Yu, for example, can sign company documents, but his identity is not easily identifiable in current legal systems. 2. Furthermore, those who know her believe that the CEO of NetDragon has empathy and emotions. 2. A statement that clashes with the current architecture of artificial intelligence. 2. For this reason, in her work she could act with a lack of humanity. 3. Finally, if a CEO can be replaced by an intelligent system, so too could other qualified professionals be replaced, raising various employment concerns.